Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you some secret codes that you can use in the phone app on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. So let's open the phone app and we're gonna open the keypad and we want to dial the following code. If you use this code over here and you end it with the asterisk, sorry, not asterisk, the hashtag, then you will find the device information, you will find the email, ICC ID, and so on and so forth, and also the serial number. You can also use a similar code, that is this one, and end it with the hashtag as well, in order to find the regulatory information. Then we can also find calendar info by using this code over here. We're gonna type 225 and end it with the asterisk. And there we go, we have calendar info. Then we also have a pretty similar code, but this time we're gonna type 426, then end it the same way. And we have FCM diagnostics, and the last one is 4636. And there you go, we have testing menu where we have access to lots of debugging information like the 5G and LTE debugging. We have the phone information, usage statistics, Wi-Fi information, and NFC settings. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.